So, oh yeah, outside. Oh, what is this? When I sit on here, the whole table is moving. You see that? Am I too heavy or what? Okay, so I go on the other side. Is this better here? Can I sit here without falling? Yeah. Look, I have to be careful with my elbow. This is Flip 4. And this is Flip 5. And the question is, which one is better here in the park with all the noise and stuff? I also want to know what software version they have, but for that I have to get them in here and Flip 4 and 5 both are connected, and then I can use my JBL app here, this one, to see what firmware version I use. Here, Flip 5 is getting ready for me. It says getting ready. Oh, there it is. Can do party boost here. Flip 5. Firmware 0.5.6. And then there is also it found here, the Flip 4 here. It's in here. It has a different thing. Where is it here? Info. That's firmware 4.00. So let's play now, and let's play a song. Let's see, what do I have here? I don't know, what is a good song? Here, this one. Here, this one. And then I switch over to this one to see how that goes. So let's see how this goes. Does this sound better? Full volume. This sounds better. All this. All this. So it's hard to say, right? I think this is better. This is missing the travel a lot. Like, this is much better there. Look, I think this is my choice of speaker if I have to pick between them.